Welcome to how to install replacement parts 09907 and 09908 pressure canner and pressure cooker sealing rings and automatic air vents. To order replacement parts, please visit gopresto.com. First, remove the old sealing ring, automatic air vent, or old-style overpressure plug. Then thoroughly clean the sealing ring groove and the air vent opening. Before installation, wash the new sealing ring and automatic air vent in warm soapy water. Rinse and dry. The 09907 sealing ring is designed to fit into the bottom groove of the cover in a flat, horizontal position. To begin the installation, hold the cover upside down and in one spot press the sealing ring into the bottom groove of the cover. While holding that part of the ring in place, use your other hand to compress and push the remaining ring into the groove, moving counterclockwise around the cover. It is not uncommon to have an inch or two left after going around once. Therefore, you may need to go around the cover twice to ensure the ring is fully and properly installed. The 09908 sealing ring is designed to fit vertically in the cover. To begin the installation, hold the cover upside down, and in one spot, press the outside edge of the sealing ring into the groove. While holding that part of the ring in place, use your other hand to compress and push the remaining ring into the groove. If necessary, to help make the cover easier to open and close, a very light coating of cooking oil may be applied to the underside of the body lugs. Do not oil the sealing ring. Next, install the automatic air vent by pushing it into the opening from the inside of the cover. The small end of the plunger should be pointing downward as you insert the automatic air vent into the opening. It must be fully seated in the opening. The top lip of the automatic air vent should be on the top of the cover, and the bottom lip should be against the underside of the cover. When putting the cover on the body, apply equal downward pressure to the handles while turning. This will help compress the sealing ring and make it easier to lock the cover. Then open and close the cover several times to make it operate more freely. For further detailed installation instructions, please see the inside of your replacement parts carton.